Hello everyone, my name is IIT-JEE and I am a student of Mitesh Rathi classes. Here I am very glad to express that even in this tough time of lockdown, we are able to attempt our regular classes by online medium. Our regular classroom teachers are taking the classes with full energy and passion. We can easily clear our doubts in live classes. Other than that, monitoring sessions are also held by our faculties every week, which helps us to remain motivated for our aim. In addition to that, recorded lectures of the same class are available to us so that if due to any circumstances I miss my live class, I can easily catch up. We are feeling the atmosphere of regular classes as there are investigators present in each class which take the attendance and maintain the decorum of the class. We are given the assignment of each topic after the class and the assignment discussions are also held at regular basis. Also, we are attempting our online test series and the discussion of the test series and the solutions are given after the same time. So in this way, I am motivated for my IIT-JEE preparation and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.